They're doing it right. They're capturing everything about racing that is racing.
When Gridlife said, hey, we're going to launch Gridlife Touring Cup, I immediately signed up and said, I'm going to do that. And it turns out, so did a lot of other really good drivers. And so it's been really competitive and fun. First off, Gridlife is clearly like the #1 sort of non-professional motorsports event that you can participate in the US, in my opinion.
I've raced with other organizations and it's all about, I'll just put some money into it and then I'll be the best driver, and they don't really care. Everybody just wants to throw some laps down. They want to go out there, drive their car, park it in a garage, and take it back out the next day and have the same experience every time.
I don't think there should be politics in racing when you're not racing for money. If I'm racing for a paycheck, sure, I understand. But when I'm racing with my own money and my own budget and I'm out there for a good time, I say that because losing is not fun.
They're being logical, and that's my favorite part. They're letting racers really be racers. At the end of the day, we all know who wins, and we know why you win, because you have the talent and you did well and you did it right. You built the car the best way, you drove the car the best way, and Gridlife is standing behind that.
Going to the first event at Midwest Fest last year, which I would say was their biggest event. Right? That's their biggest event of the year, most spectators, I mean, tons of competitors. Started 8th, I think, and Eric Cattell ended up getting away from me, and it took me the entire race to reel him in 2nd place. Went in for the pass in the final corner of the last lap, lost by a fender, and best feeling of my life. I mean, that was the most fun I've ever had, and I didn't even win.
The sportsmanship, the really doing it for talent. I've met drivers who are actually taking cars and they're doing it the right way and they're trying to be better.
From a racing perspective, time attack is exciting, and it's kind of all about your personal improvement. But wheel to wheel takes it to another level where you've got your personal skills you got to bring to the table, but you also have racecraft and sort of this idea of getting in somebody else's head that's with you on the track.
This is the first organization I've raced with where I wouldn't change anything about Gridlife. You meet the different people and you're building the bond with everybody, and that's what I love. I love all the aspects that come with the racing.
And I think they might have the best, most competitive race series in North America.
When I say they're doing it right, they're doing it right.